Let me show you how to make almond paste, also known as marzipan. There are a few ways to prepare marzipan at home. Let me show you my version of marzipan. Into the mixing bowl, take almond milk or almond flour, also known as 1 cup of almond milk, 3/4 cups of icing sugar. Mix these two ingredients really well. Break the lumps of icing sugar and almond milk. Couple of drops of rose extract. Alright, so now here I have water. Teaspoon of water at a time, and keep giving the heat using your hand. And as you can see, it starts coming together very quickly. So be very careful. But by mistake, if you add a little bit more water, then you can always add almond milk. Alright, so marzipan is ready. Alright, take wax paper, prepare the log of marzipan, smoothen it, make it as much smooth as you can, and wrap it with the wax paper. Make it kind of a chocolate by twisting, and refrigerate for about an hour to use in your recipes. You saw how quick and easy it is to prepare marzipan at home if you have the right ingredients. Be sure to refrigerate at least an hour before using to settle it really well. So I'm going to refrigerate. Let's check the marzipan. Perfectly set marzipan. Now you can slice it and use in recipes as needed. So I'm going to slice it up. As you can see, you can just snack on them just as it is or use in recipes however you like. And today I'm going to use in my almond crescent rolls. Look at this. And now using recipes like chocolate truffle or to stuff the dates. Take the almond paste or marzipan, just shape, and you can add little or as much as you want. I kind of like little almondy crescent rolls, so I'm going to place here and then just simply roll and just twist from the end to shape them like a crescent rolls. Be sure to seal the marzipan properly, like so. And I'm going to prepare the remaining crescent rolls. I'm going to show you how you can top it up with almonds. Just simply place the almond on top and just press slightly, like so. Arrange prepared almond crescent rolls into the baking tray. And the tray is ready to go into the preheated oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until nice golden brown color. Almond crescent rolls are ready to come out. The whole house is filled with rose aroma and I can't wait to dig into this crispy, flaky almond crescent rolls. Let them cool. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. And you can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on many devices like Android, iOS. Also, you can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku or YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you soon.